If you're upgrading your kitchen, a high-quality range hood is a must. The best 36-inch ductless range hood keeps your cooking space fresh and smoke-free without the need for complicated ductwork. Let's explore the top options available today. Number 1. Cosmo 5MU36. The Cosmo 5MU36 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a sleek, space-saving range hood. Part of the Delta collection, this slim profile model is ideal for smaller spaces like condos and apartments. It can be installed under a cabinet or against a wall, and conveniently offers both top and back venting options. What makes this range hood especially versatile is its ability to convert from ducted to ductless operation with the purchase of a carbon filter kit sold separately. Functionally, it delivers efficient yet quiet performance with a 3-speed motor, producing a noise level as low as 50 decibels on the lowest setting when paired with rigid ducting. The included flexible ducting allows for an easy and convenient installation process. The Cosmo 5MU36 is operated through a simple push-button control panel that manages fan speed, lighting, and power settings. Superior multi-layer aluminum mesh filters come included, which are durable, reusable, and excellent at trapping grease and odors. Overall, this model strikes a solid balance between affordability. Number 2. Iktch 900CFM. The Iktch 900CFM wall-mount range hood brings a refreshing blend of modern technology and powerful performance into the kitchen. Its stainless steel construction delivers a sleek, contemporary look that pairs well with most kitchen decors. What sets this model apart is its novel gesture sensing feature, allowing users to control the hood with a simple wave, adding a touch of futuristic convenience. At its core, this range hood packs a serious punch with a maximum airflow of 900 CFM, effectively removing smoke, grease, and lingering cooking odors with ease. Despite its strong performance, it operates quietly, maintaining a noise level as low as 40 decibels on the lowest setting and only 65 decibels on its highest. It comes with 4 adjustable fan speeds, letting you customize the suction and noise level based on your cooking needs. 2 bright, energy-saving 3W LED lights provide ample, adjustable lighting for your cooktop, enhancing both visibility and ambiance. The Iktch 900CFM also features 3 durable, dishwasher-safe stainless steel filters, ensuring superior filtration while keeping maintenance hassle-free. Number 3. IKCB01. For those seeking an insert range hood with contemporary flair and high-powered performance, the IKCB01 stands out. Made of sleek stainless steel, it integrates seamlessly into custom cabinetry, maintaining clean kitchen lines while offering top-notch ventilation. Much like its wall-mounted sibling, this model boasts an impressive maximum airflow of 900 CFM, easily handling large volumes of smoke, odors, and airborne grease produced during intense cooking sessions. Its ultra-quiet operation ranges from a barely noticeable 40 decibel on its lowest setting to just 65 decibel at maximum power, making it one of the quieter high-performance options available. A 4-speed fan adjustment allows precise control over airflow and noise. The IKCB01 is also equipped with 2 bright, energy-efficient 3W LED lights, which are adjustable to perfectly illuminate your cooking area. One of its standout features is gesture control technology, offering hands-free operation by simply waving near the sensor. It includes 3 dishwasher-safe stainless steel permanent filters, which are easy to remove and clean. Number 4. Broan BCSD136SS. The Broan BCSD136SS is a reliable, high-quality under-cabinet range hood that combines efficient ventilation with a modest, stylish appearance. Capable of delivering up to 250 CFM of ventilation power, it's well-suited for medium-duty kitchen use. Its capture system features an advanced blower design with a forward-positioned centric inlet, allowing it to quickly and effectively remove smoke, grease, and cooking odors from the air. Despite its solid performance, it maintains whisper-quiet operation at just 1.5 sones on its normal setting, making it one of the quieter models in its class. Lighting is another area where this range hood shines, with 2-level halogen bulbs providing generous illumination across your cooking surface. The Broan BCSD136SS also includes dual open mesh filters that are dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and maintenance. Versatile in its application, it can work in ADA-compliant installations as well. Number 5. Broan 413604. The Broan 413604 is a practical and budget-friendly ductless range hood insert designed to improve air quality in kitchens where ductwork isn't an option. Made of durable stainless steel, it offers a clean, understated look that complements various kitchen styles. This model uses a non-ducted filtration system with a replaceable charcoal filter, effectively removing smoke, grease, and lingering odors to keep your kitchen fresh. It features an incandescent lighting system with a protective lamp lens that distributes light evenly across the cooking surface, accommodating up to a 75W bulb not included. The Broan 413604 operates via separate rocker switches that independently control the light and the 2-speed fan, providing straightforward, user-friendly operation. While its maximum airflow is more modest compared to premium models, it's perfectly adequate for light to moderate cooking tasks in small to mid-sized kitchens. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.